Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets to give away. They'll be in the description below. The logo, Resolve logo, is just the default logo I used when I made them. You can put any of your logos in there. I'll let them play. You can see what they do. I made these in 21, so if they don't work, please let me know. And if you download them, go to titles, look for SDS split logo intros. And to get to the controls, select this little button, little arrow. You got an outline to the text. To change the logo, you have to do it in both of these because I have it split. Select browse. Text size, you can change this normal. You have a logo size. It affects the text and the logo. Coordinates. You have depth shadow. And an on and off button for the background. While it's off, it is transparent, so you can put anything you want under it. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.